Hey there, welcome to GSD Solutions. Today, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication for Outlook, how to download the correct Microsoft Authenticator app for Android and iPhone, and why this extra layer of security is essential. Let's get started. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to Outlook. Instead of just entering your password, you'll also need a verification code from an Authenticator app. This prevents unauthorized access, even if someone gets your password. With 2FA, only you can approve logins, keeping your emails, contacts, and sensitive data safe. First, you need to download the correct Microsoft Authenticator app. Be careful. There are fake apps that charge you money. The official app is completely free. If you have an Android or iPhone, go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Microsoft Authenticator, and download the app. Always check that the app is from Microsoft Corporation before downloading. Now that we have the app installed, we can set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. To do this, follow these steps. First, go to your Outlook account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, select View Account, and go to Security Info. Click on Security Info, then select Add Method and choose Authenticator App. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone, tap Add Account, then select Work or School Account. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your Microsoft Security Settings page. Microsoft will send a test login request. Tap Approve on your phone, and you're all set. Now, every time you sign into your email, you'll receive a notification to approve the login. Simple, fast, and secure. With two-factor authentication, your email is much safer from cyber threats. Always use the official Microsoft Authenticator app, never share your codes, and keep your account protected. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips from GSD Solutions. See you in the next one.